Hi guys, welcome back to your channels. Me, Dasha, and this is our sister baby thing. Andrea. Yeah. I love this because this is so fluffy. We're gonna show you our bags. So mine looks like a giraffe. And on the back, it looks like a zebra thing. Rainbow!
What does your bag look like?
Rainbow!
It's an
owl.
It's an owl.
It's
green!
Oh, that's cute.
So I chose this one because this is my favorite color, pink and purple. I got pink feet.
Oh, yeah.
Mine's green feet. What's inside? So I'm gonna get
Okay, open your backpack. Okay.
Oh, this I got my toys, which is my favorite because it got these
What else do you have?
eyelashes. Don't know it.
Baby has food. Uncle Toby's oat bar. What else do you have?
What else do you have? Food again? What's the other one? Just one.
I got it.
Oh, what's that?
Mommy, sister.
Why do you have my lipstick?
Lip balm.
Lip balm.
Nivea. Lip balm.
Tato.
What's that?
It's gecko.
Show it. Oh, that's gecko. That's gecko. Is that your favorite? What else? What else do you have there?
No, go back.
Okay, how about you, Dash?
So I got a food. So when I got hungry, then I will eat it all.
Yes.
What else?
What else, Dash?
And I got my lip balm.
Okay.
So this is my lip balm, and it has a boomerang because baby loves boomerang. So I love this lip balm because it's so glittery. It's my turn.
Is that all?
Yes.
So Dash should get.
So I got my toy, my food, and my lip balm.
How about baby?
Baby, what did you get?
Awesome.
You got food.
Yeah.
You got lipstick.
Yeah.
And you got gecko.
Yeah. Say again. So that's what's in our bag. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like our video. Bye.
Wait, bye.
Bye.
Gecko's waving.
Bye.